Let's connect the relay module to the board, and write code to see how it works. Take a 4-pin RMC wire. Plug one side of the wire to the connector on the board, which is marked as relay. Plug the other side of the wire to the connector on the relay module. If you don't have, or just don't want to use RMC wires, then you may follow the instructions at the end of this video, to connect directly to WiNoT MCU or breadboard. If you have the 9V battery and the LED strip as a part of your kit, then you may also connect these now. Connect the positive wire from the battery, which is usually red, to the live pin of the input terminal connector of the relay. The input terminal connector looks like the picture shown below. The live pin is the first pin, and has a marking of L next to it. Note that for some kits, the positive wire might be white, instead of red. Connect the negative wire from the battery, which is usually black, to the neutral pin of the input terminal connector of the relay. The neutral pin is the second pin, and has a marking of N next to it. Connect the LED strip to the first output terminal connector. The first output terminal connector has the word OUT1 marked below it. The positive of the LED strip should be connected to the pin which has the letter L marked next to it. The positive will be a red wire. If your kit has a second high-power device like a motor, or a pump, you could connect this to the terminal connector marked OUT2 in the same fashion as above. Do not, I repeat, do not connect AC appliances at this stage. Working with live, AC devices can cause severe injury, or even death, if you are not careful. I would recommend that you work AC only after you are well experienced with dealing with AC connections. For each of your project, you will have details about how to connect AC devices in the Next Steps section. You can ignore the remaining part of the instructions, if you do not want to make connections using a breadboard and header wires. If you prefer to use a breadboard or directly use a WiNoT MCU, then the connections are: VCC pin of the relay module to VIN of WiNoT MCU. Ground pin of the relay module to ground pin of WiNoT MCU. The IN1 on the relay module to D0 of WiNoT MCU. And the IN2 on the relay module to D4 of WiNoT MCU. Note, the relay module requires 5 volts and will not work with 3.3 volts. That's it. Let's move on to the next step.